If you want voluminous, healthy, and shiny looking hair in the least amount of time and the least damaging way, stay till the end for all my top blow drying tips and tricks into getting the perfect at-home salon blowout with ease. Don't forget to check out my new book, which also has hundreds of more pages filled with great solutions to help you keep living the best life you've always wanted, over on my blog, russostyles.com. And now let's start. So if you didn't know, our hair is actually very delicate and at its weakest point when it is wet. Working on freshly washed, towel-dried hair, the first tip is to begin separating with just your fingers very softly. Avoid using a brush at this point to avoid unnecessary breakage or fallout. Pointing the nozzle down towards the ground is the least damaging technique and also smooths out any flyaways while taming your hair down. Continue to run your fingers through your hair while drying. It's also really important to only use shampoos, conditioners, and heat protectors that consist of high quality ingredients. Anything under $5 is most likely going to cause a long-term buildup and damage. On my blog, you will find my top recommendations and what I find to be the best and worst hair care products on the market for those of you wondering. Next, with a wide tooth comb, begin to gently brush your hair, and only when your hair is about 70 to 80% dry. Normally it would take about 15 minutes to have my hair almost completely dry, of course using low-end dryers, making it super frizzy too, but a good professional dryer is designed to actually speed up the drying process, and in just under 5 minutes my hair is almost completely dry now. Normally my hair at this point would be looking super frizzy, especially air dried, because I naturally don't have straight hair. Now with a paddle brush, tilt your head and lift from the roots, going towards the opposite direction your hair naturally falls. This is great for those with thin and frizzy hair who want big beautiful hair without any back combing or damage. There are so many amazing dryers on the market, along with a lot of bad ones too, so it's best to get one suited for your hair type, and I will have all my top ones listed on my blog for those interested, covering all types of budgets too. This particular dryer that I'm using is made in Paris with tourmaline ceramic technology, which naturally and constantly emits negative ions and infrared heat, allowing my hair to dry quickly without overheating certain sections and damaging them. Moving on, with a round brush, I like to give my bangs a nice boost of volume, sweeping it to the side, and the trick is to really lift up your crown section along with adding a bit more body to the ends for a more voluminous, polished look. And now you just want to finish off by setting the style with a flexible hairspray for movement. This was actually so easy to do, very fast and efficient, and there you have it. Salon blowout results in the comfort of your own home. If you also want to know more exclusive life-changing hacks, I wrote it all nicely out for you in my new book, filled with tons of hidden secrets and solutions to everything, resulting in you living the best life you've always wanted. You are amazing for watching until the end, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next tutorial.